News. I'm Miss Napapasaria. Clear the headline about climate change in USA. So, let's see what the weather is. Hello, Miss Chanokchon.
Hello, Miss Napapat.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Chanokchon. At the topic center, let's interview someone at this place. Hey! Excuse me, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Locha.
How do you feel about the weather here?
Oh, it's so hot that my skin is burned. The sun radiates widely. I must carry a folding fan and umbrella.
Maybe wonder why the weather is like this in the tropic, where the equator is away hot, more direct light and heat reach here. That is tilted towards the sun. The sunlight shines off Earth in ray form and angle with the surface of Earth. The angle doesn't change very much, so it gets direct sunlight.
Thank Miss Chanokchon. After you have seen, you would understand how the weather is. Next, let's see the weather at Pole Center. Hello, Miss Sonsawan.
Hello, Miss Napapat.
Hello everyone, I am Miss Sonsawan at Pole Center. Here the weather is cold. Let's interview someone at this place. Come on! Hello, I'm Miss Kamak at Port Center. Excuse me, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Thantila.
In this period, how do you feel?
It's really cold. My mist is so dry that I must often apply all the lotion and wear the coat. There is hardly sunlight, so my coat that air are dry.
This place is like that because it receives less direct heat and light from the sun. That is tilted away. The angle of the sun's ray is very sharp. Because of it, the heat of rays is not very strong. Winter at this place are dark and very cold.
Thank you, Miss Sonsawan. For Miss Chanokchon and Miss Sonsawan, it can understand that the season and climate change because of inclination of the earth, the ray of the sun, and many causes, so you should take care of yourselves because the weather changes frequently.
The earth rotates on an axis, tilting and spinning quite like a top. Simultaneously, it revolves around the sun in an elliptical or oval orbit, taking one long year comprising of 365 days to make one huge round. Due to the orbit's elliptical nature and the Earth's tilting disposition, some parts at certain periods on Earth are exposed to the sun's rays and heat more directly than the others. The root cause of this phenomena is the axis, an imaginary line that divides the Earth into two poles, North Pole and South Pole, splitting the planet in the middle. The Earth's axis is tilted from perpendicular to the elliptical plane by 23.45 degrees. This tilting is what gives us the 4 seasons of the year, namely the spring, the summer, the autumn or fall, and the winter. Since the axis is tilted, different parts of the globe are oriented towards the sun at different times of the year, which is determined by the relationship between the overhead sun and the earth. Along with the axial tilt, the two other integral components in the process of seasonal change are the Tropic of Capricorn and the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Capricorn is the latitude situated at 23.5 degrees in the southern hemisphere, and the Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degrees latitude in the northern hemisphere. After having inspected the significance of Earth's tilt, let us examine how the spinning of the top on its axis affects and changes the seasons we frequently enjoy, namely the spring equinox, the autumn equinox, the summer and the winter solstice. The revolution of the Earth along with the tilting of its axis causes the angle of the Sun to be different in different periods. During the overhead Sun period, when the Sun is directly overhead, the Earth's surface and the Sun form a 90-degree angle. The variations in the angle of overhead Sun causes variations in solar radiation received at different periods. Keeping in mind the variations, we move on to equinoxes, which basically comprise of days in which day and night are of equal duration.
Thank you. Western News. See you again.
Hello everyone, welcome to Western News. From interviewing, do you know what the problem of the topic center is?
I know. I will explain to you.
Planting and harvesting change, sharpening seasonal rainfall, hassle and more self-precipitation events and relay flooding may delay planting and harvesting. More pests, insects and plant pests may survive or even reproduce more often each year if cold winter no longer keep them in check. New pests may also invade each region as temperature and humidity conditions change. Lower altitude pests may move to higher latitude, for example. Risk to fisher shift in the abundance and type of fish and other seafood might hurt commercial fishers, while warming water may pose threats to harmless concerns such as increase the risk of infectious disease, extreme ocean temperatures, and ocean acidification test coral reefs, the foundation of many of the world fishing athletes.
I know too.
Accelerated warming from albedo. Lost sea ice exposes dark, open waters dramatically, shifting the ocean surface from highly reflective to one that absorbs most of the sun energy. This can set off a vicious cycle. Ice loss leads to further warming of the ocean surface, which can lead to more ice loss. The loss of polar reflectivity albedo is one climate-related amplification that has scientists losing sleep at night. Severe threats to polar creatures. Polar creatures that depend on ice for all parts of their life cycle are highly threatened by a warming world. In the South Polar region, some penguin colonies are moving to new locations because their main food source, krill, small creatures near the bottom of the marine food web, is changing in response to shifting ocean temperatures. In the Arctic, polar bears must swim greater distances in open water to find a sea ice habitat that is home to their prey. Seals, which use breathing holes through the ice. Threats to indigenous ways of life. These changes in animal habitat and abundance threaten indigenous ways of life, some of which have flourished in the Arctic for thousands of years. Traditional hunting methods, for example, are becoming more risky because of thin ice and because the days when ice forms and thaws are less predictable.